This is one of the worst infections resulting from a femur break the Bone Museum has ever seen. This is a new specimen on display at the Bone Museum, and let's take a look at it. This is a real human femur that originally had a non-union fracture. A non-union fracture means that the bone had completely split in half and then did not heal back together from lack of stabilization or poor blood supply to the area. So down here we can see a portion of the femur is missing, which means that it snapped and then never healed back together. But why is it so puffy and appears to be swollen? This is a result of osteomyelitis, which is a bone infection. So you can see where the bone had become inflamed and enlarged, and also where drainage holes had formed within the bone. These were holes made to try and drain pus from the bone. And if you're struggling to visualize, this is what a typical femur is supposed to look like. So you can really see the inflammation and infection. Miraculously, we also have a portion of the pelvis. Based on the portion of the pelvis that we have, this individual most likely undergone an amputation, specifically a type 2 external hemipelvectomy. This specific portion of the pelvis is called the periacetabular region, and this is the portion that is typically removed during this type of hemipelvectomy. And right here we can see the even surgical cut. This procedure removes the acetabulum, which is the connection point of the femur to the pelvis, and also removes the leg as well. And you can see here that the infection was so bad it had actually spread to this portion of the pelvis. Everything that you're seeing right here is a direct result of the infection. So to walk you through really how severe this was, this person had originally broken their leg, which did not heal back together, causing the bone to get infected and then needing an amputation, and not just the below the knee amputation, they had to get the whole leg and portion of the pelvis removed. So that's a little bit more about this piece. Your body has healing mechanisms put in place for cases like this, but sometimes it does not do it right, and this is a very somber example of when things go really wrong. If you found this video interesting and you would like more educational content, make sure to follow the Bone Museum for more.